name is Michelle and I'm from Michelle's Timeless Makeovers. My first time using Tjhoko was when I entered for a Tjhoko Chams competition. That was in 2021. I gave an outdoor umbrella a new look. And I promised myself, if my umbrella ever gets into a final or a finalist or even close to something, I'm going to do more furniture makeovers and I will make more videos. The next year, for Tjhoko Chams 2022, I've entered a headboard and I was one of the runner-up winners. And that was when Tjhoko Paint asked me to be an ambassador for them. My furniture journey started when I was a little girl. I used to make furniture for my Barbies in my father's garage. I want to show you my latest project. It's an old office desk. I gave it a new look with Godfrey's Glams and an art chair that I painted with Lively Lizelle. My latest projects I've just finished last week. My favorite color at the moment is Godfrey's Glams. The wood top complements the floral detail. I added on the door and the drawer and as well on this old office chair. The office chair I gave 2 coats of Lively Lizelle and I think it's a beautiful set. Here is another Godfrey's Glams project of mine. It's definitely my fall inspiration color this year. I made some wood grains using this magic wood grainer tool and matte black, and it came out really nicely. My most challenging project so far was definitely the Volkswagen Combi makeover I did last year, December. I did it in my holiday time. My daughter went to China. I was all by myself. I told my friend, if you still want this makeover, bring your Combi. I've got time now. It took me 4 days. It was very hot in Gordons Bay. The southeaster wind was pumping. But at the end, my friend was very happy. The best part of furniture makeovers is the furniture thrifting. Let's have a look. Ja. Yeah. Plak het bo oor. Here is the furniture piece I just bought from the thrift store. It's an old dresser. Beautiful handles. I think I'm going to remove the middle part to make 2 nightstands. Milo. And yeah, it's another project for the weekend. I would like to thank the Tjhoko team for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself and to show the face behind Michelle's Timeless Makeovers.
Uh-oh.
It was an old office desk. I gave it a new look with